everybody, good morning. I hope you're having something delicious today to eat. I just wanted to show you guys my morning smoothie. It's really healthy and really delicious. All right, here we go, the most healthiest smoothie you're going to have in the morning. All right, so for what I put in my smoothies, I do like different kinds of fruit. Sometimes I'll do plums, I'll do apricots. This is a plum cot. I guess it's like in between an apricot and a plum. I have some pear. I have some figs. Or sorry, these are figs. These are dates. I have some ginger. I have some liquid chlorophyll, apple cider. Sometimes I'll use pineapple juice. I have apple cider vinegar with mother. I have some vitamin C, liquid vitamin C with rose hips and bioflavonoids. I have a fresh kiwi, cinnamon. Right now I'm using some coconut milk, but I usually use soy milk. I use like organic. This is some brewer's yeast, and I have some frozen spinach here. I made my own broccoli sprouts. These are some broccoli sprouts that I grew in a bottle. Some frozen blueberries, frozen strawberries, a frozen banana in here. And boil some water for the chia seeds. I'm going to shake this up really good. I end up pouring just enough to fill the top of the blades, which is pretty good. Should have taken the caps off before. I just do a dollop of each thing. Maybe, I guess like a tablespoon of each additional liquid thing that I put in here. A tablespoon of apple juice, but makes it sweeter, kind of makes it taste a little bit better. So take the liquid chlorophyll, put a little bit in there. It's good stuff. I know that liquid chlorophyll has always really been good for me. I don't know, it helped me with some nerve damage that I had in my neck. Now I'm gonna wash off some of the fruit. Alright, so I just got to get the middle seed out of here. It's kind of like a plum, but it's not. Let's cut this pear in half. Take out the middle. Yeah, there you go. Cut the tips of the figs off. For the dates, I have to take out the pit. And for the ginger, I'll try to use that much of it. Just kind of cutting off the edges. But with ginger, the way you peel it is you just kind of scrape the edge off. You can use like the back edge of a knife or a spoon. I think the way I learned it first was with a spoon. You gotta cut off like the hard parts that don't really look like they're cauterized skin. Yeah, so I think ginger is really tasty in it. It could be a little sharp if you put too much of it, but just like a couple chunks of it is enough. This one's kind of weird shape, so I'm just going quickly to get the skin off of that. So with the kiwi, it's kind of different. I cut the end off, and then I will use a peeler to get off the skin. Sometimes I'll peel my fingernail at the same time, so I try to keep my finger behind the skin part so I don't skin my fingers, because this thing's slippery. Yeah, so now that the water is boiled, I take some of the chia seeds. You put like almost 2 tablespoons, I guess, in there. And you take the hemp seeds. Hemp seeds, apparently you have a lot of omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids. I don't have much left in that package, so I'm just pouring the whole package in. But normally I'll use like 2 tablespoons. I'll use 2 tablespoons worth of hemp seeds. I tried the ones from Trader Joe's. I'm also trying the ones from Red Mill. And they're both pretty good. I don't really see much difference between the two. So I guess whichever one you can have access to and fits your price budget. So I'll just pour a little bit of boiling water into the chia seeds. Chia seeds, I found out, have a lot of good minerals in them. Apparently there's like there's a lot of iron and potassium and calcium in chia seeds, and I guess they also have omega-3 fatty acids. So yeah, not bad. Good for the brain. So I also put a little bit of cinnamon. I got this ground Ceylon true cinnamon from Savory Spice Shop. It's supposed to be real cinnamon. Alright, so I'm just going to let this chia seed sit for a minute. So I also take just a little bit of the brewer's yeast, not even a teaspoon. It's probably like a teaspoon. Say like a teaspoon's worth of brewer's yeast. Alright, next I'll put in some greens. I think I'm just going to throw this whole chunk in there. It's going to be extra green today. And also going to throw in some spinach. And it's frozen spinach. At least it was. I was kind of thawed out a little bit. So I've been trying to record the video. Strawberries. Whoa, that's too many strawberries. I just put like 3 strawberries in there. I don't need like a lot of strawberries. Like 3 big ones. Put like a handful of blueberries. Maybe a few more blueberries. Then I take one of the frozen bananas and just like cut it into 4 chunks. And then on top of it, I take the chia seeds and throw that in the top. That is the smoothie right there. Boom. And I really like this blender. It's this blender by Home Geek. It has it's like super strong blender. It does everything I need. So yeah, let's just go for it. Alright, so what I do is I'll pour the smoothie into a frosted beer pint glass, and that keeps it colder. And it's really good like that. be really hungry in the morning and you could just finish it all yourself. But yeah, cheers. That is so good. It's so cold. Oh. Woo. That was good. That is really cold. It's refreshing. It doesn't taste like green or anything at all. It actually has a very kind of a mild, like it's sweet, but it's not like overly sweet. It's not like your like those odd Walla drinks where you get them, they're all mixed up and they taste abnormally sweet. This is like the right kind of sweetness. It tastes perfect. Yeah, it's really good. Oh man. So if you make this smoothie, I'm going to tell you a few benefits. I was explaining it earlier, but I think that one of the cool things about this smoothie is that it also is good for digestion. Like, I don't know if a lot of people know this, but I found out that pears, especially like the softer, juicier type pears, are really good for helping with digestion. I mean, if you have any issues, do you know what I'm saying? This makes that'll make a big difference. So I put like a whole pear in there. It's a small pear. Normally, if it's a big pear, I'd only use half a pear. But yeah, there's that, and there's all the benefits of the different types of fruit, and get all kinds of vitamins and minerals from that, and um, you know, it's incredible. Like I can drink this whole smoothie in the morning at say like 8 a.m. and by the time the next time I'm hungry after doing hours and hours of work, I probably won't get hungry again until like 1 or 2 p.m. And then I'll just have a snack, and then I'll try to work out, and then I'll have dinner. And that's really like how much I eat on a daily basis. It's really kind of crazy, but this smoothie makes a huge difference. So if you like the smoothie and you think you want to make it, I'm going to put all the ingredients down below in the description. And also, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, please like, comment, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it because I want to make more videos about food and about travel, and just showcase different aspects of that. So yeah, let's make this happen. I'm Samuel Bass, and thanks for watching.